My name's Ethan Manns. I'm a manager at Dijo Station. Dijo is located Norfolk Oboe in the Western Division. So the operation we run here is sheep and goats, and then we do mixed crops and partial improvements. The last 3 seasons have been really good, especially last year was a terrific season. So the feral pigs have bred up over that, like everything else has bred up, and now it's a little bit drier. The feral pigs have moved in a lot more closer around where the good feed is, and yeah, we're getting a really big problem.
Pigs are very predatory. They do predate on lambs, they do predate on kid goats, calves. They just want a food source, and it's whatever protein they can get at the time. That's why landholders need to make sure that their control methods and techniques are being utilised, because their lambs, their goats or their calves aren't safe because these are predators and they will come and attack your stock.
After joining, we scan all our ewes to get a percentage of how many lambs we're going to get. Last lambing we had a really poor percentage, about 10%. Big drive was the feral pigs. So it's a big financial game to control your feral pigs. Like, it's a lot of money when you lose lambs. So if you control these feral pigs, well, you're going to get a better percentage of lambing.
In Western New South Wales, we have another option available to landholders, which is meat baiting. The specifics on it is you have to get a permit, which Western have. They've gone through the APVMA. It's heavily regulated, the permit, so the muscle meat has to be 500 gram piece of muscle meat injected. It's twice the size of a dog bait, which is normally 250, so yeah, we're using a bigger piece of meat for that purpose.
So we started free feeding with grain, barley, soaked with molasses and water. Then we slowly introduced meat into that too. Now we're putting out the bait to where the free feeding spot is.
Basically, you're educating this pig to come to the site to eat the tucker that you're providing them. We've free fed them, so they know where to come now for a feed. They're coming there every night, they're getting free fed every night. So you're actually educating and training that pig to do what you want it to do. Now when we turn up with the bait, it's going to be the same process. We're dropping the meat there, the pigs will come in, they'll get their free feed and they'll walk away.
So we've put cameras out so you can actually see what's coming in, how many pigs there are, and what other pests are coming in too.
What we're doing is injecting this 500 gram piece of meat with 2.4 mil of concentrate. We'll inject it in 4 different locations at 0.6 per injection, and that's how the poison's distributed in that piece of meat.
We've moved all the stock out of the paddock where we're going to bait, but we still put a little exclusion fence up just to make it safe, for if there's any other stock that accidentally get in the paddock, it eliminates the risk.
And then we'll distribute the meat in a checkerboard pattern on the ground for the pigs to go to their own little segregated pile. If you put it in one big pile, the boars will come in and not giving access to the other animals. So that's why we put it out in a checkerboard pattern, so each pig can go to its own little pile, have its bait, and then go on.
I would definitely encourage other people to participate in the baiting, the pig baiting. I think it's a really good method to controlling your wild pigs.
Feral pigs aren't just impacting landholders' enterprises, the parasites, a number of different diseases that are out there, leptospirosis, brucellosis, Japanese encephalitis. If we get FMD come into the country, we know that these animals are going to be a key part in distributing it around into livestock and stuff like that. So we want to make sure that we've done everything within our power, working with landholders. At worst case scenario, FMD comes to our shores, that there's going to be a minimal impact on our enterprise.
So if you have a problem with feral pigs, give your local land service a call and they'll help you in any which way to control your problem.